Hello class, let me sort of give you a summary of the assignments for August 23rd through 30th. This will be really the first full week of class, so we want to go ahead and get started with some of the course material. So again, just let me summarize. You need to start each week in Blackboard because it's going to give you the link to these videos. I'll post one of these for you each week. And then it'll also give you some details on what you need to complete within my IT lab. So if you go right now, you'll see day 2, and that gives you a little more information on logging in. If you recall, last week all I wanted you to do was log into Blackboard and then try to log into my IT lab with that code. So there's some more directions on that because not many people have done that successfully yet. You know, maybe I don't think even half the class has been in there. So specific directions, a little more specific, have been posted, so you can check that out. Now I want you to take that one step further today and actually install my IT lab on your computer. And it's going to tell you kind of how to do that when you actually start accessing the content. So there's you're going to get in there and you're going to see something called Getting Started with the My IT Lab Lessons and the installation wizard. So what this does is it installs this this plug-in system into your browser, okay? And you need to get that installed to actually view these lessons. It's required. It's mandatory. You have to do this. Of course, the downside is that it does not work on a Macintosh computer. If you're using a Mac, you can run a program called Boot Camp, and then within that you can run Windows. If you have a fairly new Mac with an Intel processor, it actually is pretty simple. It's simpler than it sounds. So you can use a Mac, but you have to run Windows on your Mac. You can still, boot into the OS X operating system, but you can run both of them. So anyway, you want to go ahead and log into My IT Lab, check that Getting Started with the My IT Lab and install that. So that's going to be active, right now for you to do. So make sure you do that Monday or Tuesday this week. Now Wednesday I'm going to activate another, let's see. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the schedule right now just to make sure that I'm following it correctly. But Wednesday, I think I'm going to want you to start in on chapter 1 of your book, and then I may activate more My IT Lab content after that. So again, right now, there is some content active in My IT Lab, and then I'm going to want you to start on chapter 1 on your book later on this week. So this is sort of another week where we kind of want to just get started on the basics, a little bit of content with the book, and then also a little bit of content within My IT Lab, and get started, get everything going. So that's it. Again, just let me know if you do have any problems getting logged on to the site. You probably do not have trouble with Blackboard, I would guess. That's not going to be any issue. But the My IT Lab certainly can be a little bit of an issue, getting started on everything. So just feel free to let me know if you have questions. My office hours this semester are going to be Tuesdays, 10 to 3. So you're welcome to stop by. If those times don't work for you, just drop me an email. Maybe we can set up a separate appointment, or give me a call. We can also talk over the phone, or email me through Blackboard with the link on the left-hand side. Alright, so again, that's it for just sort of a summary of what I want you to do to just kind of get started on some basics this week. And let me know if you do have any questions, run into any problems at all.